guys, your boy B Smooth, and we back at it again with another one. To everybody new, welcome to the channel, y'all. Let's get it. Everybody who already been here, man, y'all already know what it is. You know what it is. Alright, so check it. Right now, for to keep this video out like this, man. You know, I've been having a little issue with the truck here and there. You know, I changed the dope speaker from the last video. Cool. But I didn't have no tweeter. So for the meantime, I shot down here to Golden Eagle. Well, actually, scratched it. Had my partner Turbo to shoot down there to Golden Eagle and grab me some more tweeters. So we're gonna replace the tweeters. We're gonna get everything tuned in and everything balanced. We're gonna clean the truck out. Then after that, we're gonna get started on removing that wall. We're gonna remove that motherfucker. So no more wall, okay? Wall coming out. Got to ride. So let's get it. Alright guys, as you already know, I already got started. So you already know the Tampino. I'm changing the tweeters out to these things right here. I know I've been pulling these off, I don't know why. But these are the Golden Eagle tweeters. Hey, cheap and reliable. That's what we live by. So I went for Maul Rhymes. Man, I love these damn tweeters, man, Maul Rhymes. I love them. They died. You can see these was actually new, but they died. So we swapped back over to the Golden Eagle tweeters. Now these were around, they were 500 watts, so they say. These right here is like, I want to say like, we got right here, they're 180 watts max. So we're gonna take our little ease on these than what we did to them. I mean, shit happens, you did. So, finna get them in both doors. As you can see, my hole was much bigger because I had bigger tweeters actually in it. But, you know, don't feel like buying no bigger fucking tweeters at the moment. So, I went with these real quick. So, a little sound comparison of the Golden Eagle tweeters. I got my horns and stuff now playing. So everything should be working. So what I'm finna do a little testing of the tweeters real quick and make sure that they're good to go. So let's get it. Hold up. First, let me put the tweeters in the other door. I'm already rushing shit. Let me put the tweeters in the other door, make sure everything's legit. Then we'll go from there. I know that hole fucking with me, y'all. It's really fucking with me. But you know, once I throw my grill back on, you know, I could still see these chrome ass tweeters, but it's okay. You know, it's okay. Let me just put my grill back up here. Kind of hide that. Yeah, I gotta cut another grill out for the other side. I fucked that grill up, man. I was working on it. And man, I shit you not, Buddy was telling me, man. He told me, he said, hey, your grill. Oh man, I ain't finna fuck up that grill. Fuck that shit. Your grill. Pow! Man, stepped clean on it and broke the bitch in half, and it never been right ever since. So. Yeah, I cut me another one. It's no big deal. It's not like a no show truck for me. It's just another daily driver, man. As y'all can see Bondo everywhere and shit, man. I ain't even get down with that shit, sanding it down and Bondo on. I just said fuck it, let the body work man do it. So fuck that. On to the next thing, let's get it. And oh yeah, just to go to start this off like this. If you guys didn't know, y'all clean up all this shit, removing shit, pulling shit out. That's why this shit look a fucking mess. Cause all this coming out as well. All this shit coming out. That's the only thing I got on my tweeters right there is that old ass Sony. But we did order a new Tampano. And this right here is on the horns. I know shit just scattered like roaches back here, man. All this shit finna come out back here when we pull this out. So everything coming out and get rewired. And we're gonna rewire it and we're gonna actually make it look presentable this time versus just throwing some shit together. So I'm pulling all this shit out. I just don't like the concept of it. So all of it coming out. Pretty much nothing else to say, but let's get it. Hey, what it do, guys? We back again. Finna go on here. We got the tweeters in. We got all that situated. Came on here to the park real quick. Sitting down, marinate. So we're finna do a little tuning on it. Try to get everything tuned in. Ain't nothing tuned in right now, so it take days, you know, to actually get my tuner precise. I'm not the best tuner. I can tell anybody that right now. There's so many fucking guys out here with door speakers and shit that 10 times louder than me, but I don't give a fuck. Congratulations, you going deaf before me. Huh? But anywho, so we're finna go ahead and tune these tweeters and shit in and get all that situated. So let's Alright guys, so we're finna go and get started on tuning that hunk of iron here. Check this out. For everybody, I know y'all hear that shit. I know y'all hear it, man. Look, I'm finna redo everything in here. Hopefully we can eliminate that. So just work with me, alright? Work with me. Alright, so songs I'm gonna be playing here gonna be from my cousin Crip Parker. If y'all don't know who that guy is, check him out, man. Check him out. He on YouTube. I used a lot of his songs in my videos. Man, hey, he be going in. Alright, I ain't trying to sit up here and advertise on that, but hey, if you sound good, you sound good. If you don't, you don't. I mean, ever since he was singing in the choir, he sound good. The boy got a voice on. Alright, so check him out, y'all. But we're gonna be tuning to my cousin Crip Parker, man. So they're gonna jump into it. That right there, guys, is just the horn. I mean, just the tweeters, no horn. Those right there, the Golden Eagle tweeters. And we have 4 Golden Eagle tweeters on that little Sony. So, we got that tuned in from the DSP. Move up here a little. Turn it on the radio. Now from the EQ. Finna turn the horns on. Them horns working. See, they just tweeters, horn. Nah, mid bass. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. If you woke up this morning in your right mind, oh, it's a blessing. You gotta be grateful for the little things. Whoa, life is not easy, and I don't know who said it was. I know you feel like the weight of the world is on you,
And if you believe what you're praying for, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Whoa, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. I had to tell myself that it's gonna get better. Whoa, it's gonna get better. It's gonna get better. Yeah. It's gonna get better.
Alright guys, now we got all that in. Let's see what it all sound like together. Let's get
I'm crazy for one more than I already got. Would you call me greedy? But my appetite screaming, I want more. Am I crazy, baby? I'm a hard worker. I should buy whatever I want. Am I crazy? Just cause I wanna drive a Mercedes. Am I crazy? If they tell me that I can't do something and I tell them I can, does that make me crazy? I can do whatever, I can have what I want. Am I crazy for one more than I already got? Would you call me greedy? But my appetite screaming, I want more. Am I crazy, baby? Call me crazy. I can have whatever I want. Am I crazy for making the impossible possible? Yeah. Can't nobody tell you what you can't do. Don't let them kill your motivation. They gon' call you crazy, cause you want more out of life and they lazy. Gotta be a go-getter if you wanna really make it happen. I ain't nothing crazy about having more than you already got. Am I crazy for one more than I got? I can have the world in my hands if I want it. Am I crazy?
Alright, y'all. That's all I got for y'all today. Let's get it, man. Tahoe sounding amazing. Like I say, if y'all already ain't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, man. Your boy just be kicking and chilling. Hey, if y'all ain't already checked out Crit Parker, man, like and go subscribe to that nigga channel. Cole be going in on all kinds of styles. And also, Bass Addict. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Big Cool. He out here. We getting it, man. Let's get it. Baby boy, B, Cannon, the ride, baby. Finna get up out of here, y'all. Let's get it.
From it all. So you can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no. Oh, you can't fool me, baby. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no. Try to run it on somebody else. Can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no. Oh, you can't fool me, baby. I done been there and done that. So tell the truth and shame the devil. I used to be up in a dope house. Oh, jugging at the club, trying to take me some home. Yeah, I worried the hell out of my mama. Mama, oh, I remember when she got me out of jail. And she ain't raised me like that.